Shimajiro! Adventure Club, assemble!
And so the pirate captain loaded his ship with gold and silver and then sailed out to sea with his men. But at that moment, thick dark clouds covered the sky. Strong winds and rain battered the ship.
A storm!
The ship sank beneath the waves, and the captain washed ashore on the coast of this very island.
Our island?
That's amazing!
The captain had lost his treasure, his ship, and even his men. However, inside his pocket was a beautiful, sparkling green jewel. The captain entered a cave and hid the jewel in a place where only the light could find. The captain went out to sea again, but he never returned. They say the jewel still lies in that cave.
Wow!
He must have left because he was so lonely. Why are you so sad? I was just thinking, what if I was that captain?
I heard this story when I was just a little girl. I hope you enjoyed it.
I wanted to hear even more! Pirates are so awesome!
I want to find that jewel. I bet it's really pretty. Hey, you guys want to go look for that jewel?
Yeah, let's do it!
I love it! Let's go! Let's pack some stuff that we'll need and then meet up.
Yeah!
Going somewhere?
A treasure hunt.
Treasure?
There's a pirate's treasure in a cave on the island.
And you're going looking for that?
Uh-huh. When I find it, I promise to show it to you too. Bye! Bye-bye.
Now stop!
Why?
You are not going by yourself.
But Mom! Shimajiro, bad. Not you too, Hannah.
And what's this about treasure on the island?
We'll just make sure a grown-up goes with him.
Hey, Dad!
Hey,
Well, I can't leave the house today.
don't worry. I'll take him and...
Oh, I know!
Huh?
Mr. Rorson! He can take us.
Huh?
I'll go ask him. Bye!
Wait, Shimajiro! Mr. Rorson? I don't know.
Mr. Rorson! I don't think he's in. Where could he be?
Without Mr. Rorson, we can't go looking for treasure!
Don't worry, kids.
Huh?
Ta-da!
Dad?
I'll go with you.
Dad?
Hmm?
I couldn't resist a little adventure. Sorry.
Hey, you two have the same badges.
Yep, a badge of friendship.
What do you mean?
Your dad and I were in the same adventure club.
We went to so many different places, looking for rare flowers in the mountains.
Climbing trees to find legendary beetles? I think they're having a better time than we are. Take a look at that, kids.
The pirate's treasure must be in here.
When we find that treasure, we're gonna be so rich.
Wow!
All right, everyone. Let's go find that treasure.
Yeah!
It's a bit dark, huh?
Very dark.
And wet. Ah!
What is it?
Something flew that way!
It's nothing. Look.
It's a bat! It scared me!
Huh?
What is it?
The path splits in two here.
Oh no! Do we know which way to go?
What do you think, Shimotaro?
I know. Dad, switch off your light.
Huh? Like this?
See? That path over there is brighter.
You're right.
How can it be bright inside a cave?
It could be light coming in through gaps in the rocks.
Hey, Mrs. May said the jewel was hidden where only the light could find.
All right, must be that way.
What's all that light?
It's moss that glows in the dark.
What's moss?
It's a plant. It only grows in dark places.
It's so bright.
And pretty.
I wouldn't do that.
Huh?
This kind of moss is very rare.
So we can't take it home?
Not even just a few to show Mom and Hannah?
We need to be kind to nature.
Okay.
Hey, where's that treasure then?
I don't see it.
Where could it be? I don't mind. This moss is like a jewel. Do you think that sparkling green treasure was...
Just this moss? Phooey! I wanted to find the pirate's treasure!
Don't be like that. The moss was so pretty. Yeah! I love that moss. Me too.
I guess so.
Since you kids did such a great job, each of you gets one of these.
Wow!
Welcome to the Adventure Club.
Yay!
I'd never thought I'd one day have an adventure with my own child.
Wasn't that fun?
Uh-huh.
Too bad about the treasure.
We have enough treasure for a lifetime.
You can say that again.
Now it's time for a little quiz. Today's quiz is... What is this shape? Shimajiro and his dad are looking for insects. Take a look at this shape and guess what it is. Point your finger at the correct insect. No. Is it this one? That's the one! It's the shape of a dragonfly. That's it, children. Bye-bye!
子どもチャレンジ TV。
英語に触れられる動画、良質な知育番組、好奇心を刺激する動画も無料で見られます。今すぐダウンロード。
ベネッセ